Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Excellence Hub. Today I'm going to tell you about the short trick how to remember 20 amino acids. There are 5 types of amino acids which is categorized through a shorthand word that is BAPAN. B-A-P-A-N. B stands for basic amino acid, A stands for acidic amino acid, P stands for polar amino acid, A stands for aromatic amino acid, and N stands for non-polar amino acid. Now, one by one, we will see each category and amino acid that too comes in these categories. Firstly, we will see basic amino acid. It is the first letter of BAPAN, B. Basic amino acids are positively charged. Its shorthand notation is love, his, art. From love, L stands for lysine. From his, H stands for histidine. From art, A stands for arginine. K is the shorthand notation of lysine. H is the shorthand notation of histidine. R is the shorthand notation of arginine. The next type of amino acid is acidic amino acid. These amino acids are negatively charged. Its shorthand notation is as God. From as, A stands for aspartic acid, which is also known as aspartate. From God, G stands for glutamic acid, which is also known as glutamate. D is the shorthand notation of aspartic acid. E is the shorthand notation of glutamic acid. Then the next from BAPAN, P, polar amino acid. Its shorthand notation is SERA through her sister to get aspirin. SERA. From SERA, S stands for serine. From through, T stands for threonine. Her is the connecting word. From sister, C stands for cysteine. 2 is the connecting word. From get, G stands for glutamine. From aspirin, A stands for asparagine. S is the shorthand notation of serine. T is the shorthand notation of threonine. C is the shorthand notation of cysteine. Q is the shorthand notation of glutamine. N is the shorthand notation of asparagine. Next is A from the BAPAN, B-A-P-A. Aromatic amino acid. Fart, tire. From far, P stands for phenylalanine. T stands for tyrosine. From tire, T stands for tryptophan. F is the shorthand form of phenylalanine. Y is the shorthand notation of tyrosine. W is the shorthand notation of tryptophan. Now the last from the BAPAN, N stands for non-polar amino acid. Its shorthand notation is Professor Liu is arrived at valid ground to met. From Professor, P stands for proline. From Liu, L stands for leucine. From is, I stands for isoleucine. From arrived, A stands for alanine. A is the connecting word. Valid, V stands for valine. From ground, G stands for glycine. Again, 2 is the connecting word. From met, M stands for methionine. P is the shorthand notation of proline. L is the shorthand notation of leucine. I is the shorthand notation of isoleucine. A is the shorthand notation of alanine. V is the shorthand notation of valine. G is the shorthand notation of glycine. M is the shorthand notation of methionine. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe, hit the like button and share the video. Please encourage me. Hope so you able to understand the 20 amino acids. It's a short trick to remember these types of amino acids. Thank you.